Today I'm at 16 Strathearn Road in Leura. It's a fabulous brick and tile property in an elevated position. Let's go and have a look. Offering approximately 700 square metre block of land, this property would make the perfect first home or investment property. My favourite room in the house, as you know, is always the kitchen. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. Views out over the backyard, gas upright stove, plenty of preparation space and cupboards. This is the perfect entertainer's house. You've got the meals area right off the kitchen, and then through these glass doors out onto the rear patio, which is perfect for those family barbecues. Look at this lovely living room. Faces east, beautiful views through lots of glass, and it has a slow combustion wood fire and a neutral colour palette and timber floors. Look at the size of this master bedroom. Lots of built-ins. You could fit 2 queen-size beds in here, and again, a lovely view from this elevated position. Have a look at this fabulous timber entertaining deck at the front of the house. It faces east, so it gets all the morning sun, and it has a beautiful vista over the neighbouring area. Thanks for having a look at the video of this terrific property. Now make sure you come to one of my open for inspections.